Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, if you are preparing yourself this week, some of you will install the preview release and or else next week, and you might find yourself with a new icon in the taskbar, which is down here, Copilot. It's still in preview, but it's supposed to come out of preview, I believe. So this is what's right now in preview mode, but this is the Copilot that's going to be in Windows 11. As you see here, Copilot is going to show up like this. Kind of looks like, I've said it in the past, really kind of looks like, the Bing chat in Edge without the Edge browser showing up. So this is probably Edge anyway doing this. So new Copilot is coming here, so you can ask it what you want. What is Copilot? Whatever you want to ask and so on. It's going to work there directly on the desktop. Kind of a replacement for Cortana, as you see. Will it work? Of course, you can ask it anything with the microphone, just like, what you did with Cortana. And you can see here it takes time for aggregation of the information of what it's all about. So that's pretty much what we're going to get. And of course, it has all the functionalities. You can ask it to create pictures and, ask it to do whatever you want. Here I can go and say, let's try it with the microphone, see if it works. Let's see here. We're going to ask it to create a picture of a laptop computer. Create a picture of a laptop computer. And here you go. So now it's going to start doing something. So anyways, it's going to be pre-installed. If we look at the app list.
I'll try to create that.
Oh, it answers even with a voice like Cortana did. If we go to the app list of Copilot, it doesn't show here. Is it the Microsoft Copilot? Microsoft. Yeah, it's not there. And let's check it out here, what it's going to show up. What about if I go here, I type Copilot. It gives me Copilot visibility and system settings. So we'll have Copilot preview. I can turn it on or off in the taskbar. There doesn't seem to be an option to turn it off though. So this is interesting. So here we go. Picture of a laptop. Okay. Decent. And of course all the windows adapt to the fact that it's there when it's open. So Copilot coming to Windows 11 22H2. You got to prepare yourself for that. And of course there's a way to remove the icon. Doesn't seem to have a way to uninstall it though. Just saying. Doesn't mean you can't. There are tricks to do it, but for most people that use their PC, I think it's going to resume itself as just removing the icon from the taskbar. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.